has been filed.
Where is that officer in charge?
Officer in charge, my lord.
As you submitted on earlier occasion, you have to
Lordship.
file a complaint with the police
Lordship.
station. Where is that?
I need a receipt copy.
Lordship, kindly consider page number 19 of my supplementary affidavit and page number 20 of my supplementary affidavit. 19 and 20. On 6th October, I sent an email along with an attachment, and on 22nd October, I submitted a hard copy to the police station. Page number 19 and 20 of my supplementary.
6th October, the email was on 6th October.
Yes, Lordship. Page number 19. At the top, Partha Sharad, October 6.
Where is the acknowledgement? Oh, this is the acknowledgement.
My lord, there is a receipt, my lord, what I.
Page number 20, there is an
How
acknowledgement.
can you say that there was
My
no
lord,
complaint?
my officer said that he hasn't received. Anyway, irrespective of the matter, there is also a email.
Show him, show him.
Yes,
show
I
him.
have shown, just now I have shown him.
The seal is of not the police station. Make him understand why he is here.
Yes, yes.
Because when the inventory will be made. Oh, this is Joygaon, the executive officer. Police station where? Why are you showing this kind of document? Don't try to mislead the court.
No, Lordship. Actually, Lordship, page number 19 is the email. I sent the email after. Page number 19 is the email, Lordship. But hard copy, it is the seal of the
There is
Joyga.
no email ID, my lord.
To OC Joygaon,
There is written OC Joyga police station.
is this email ID of the
No, my lord. There is nothing is there.
No.
See, Joygaon, this is the police station. No, my lord.
No, this cannot be the format of an email to the. You know
Lordship,
that. You know.
Lordship, this is not fully written. When we took the printout, it is not fully written. But we can obtain that.
It does not appear to.
In this way, don't make any submission.
Lordship,
Mr.
I have
Counsel,
sent the email.
Mr.
The-
Counsel,
It is a fact that I have
your
sent the
client is not before me. You are before.
Lordship, my client is appearing virtual.
No, it is your duty to place a document. Before placing any document, you must verify that correctness, veracity of that document. Your client is saying that this was sent to the Joyga police station,
Yes.
the officer in charge through email. Have you ever verified it? Now, the officer in charge is saying that no such email was sent.
Lordship, my client has
What is the
stated it
consequence?
on affidavit.
I will be sending your client directly from here in the custody for swearing a false evidence. You have stated on oath,
Lordship,
huh?
Lordship, I have stated on oath, my client has stated on oath that this email was sent. But they are not stating it on oath, that it is not, it is
The
not the
man
email
is
ID.
person in person.
What more is required, my lord?
What? Don't try to twist it. Don't try to twist it.
Lordship, I am not twisting, Lordship.
Don't try. It is your
No.
personal responsibility now.
Lordship. Is it not the email ID of the police station?
This is, how can you say that? To OC Joygaon, nothing. What is it?
I will submit the whole printout of this page, Lordship. Probably there is some letters are missing. That's why there is dot. Some letters are missing, maybe. When you took the
But-
printout generally or screenshot,
It did not strike your mind that this cannot be the email ID because this is not
And-
fully.
I appreciate, Lordship. This cannot be the email ID, but there must be some missing letters. That is why there are dot.
You have seen it because you are the officer of the court.
So I have not seen it, so but
This is not good advocacy.
Lordship, I apologize
This
for
is
that.
not at all good advocacy.
But Lordship, kindly grant me an
Your-
opportunity so
your
that I can
client-
submit.
your
I can
client has
take
a habit of telling lie.
No, Lordship.
So the hand over the key. Otherwise, take him into custody. Where is he?
Lordship, kindly appreciate virtually he is appearing, but Lordship, he is appearing virtually. Partha Sharad is there.
হ্যাঁ স্যার আমি বলছি স্যার
আপনি যে ইমেল আইডি থেকে পাঠিয়েছিলেন আপনার ইমেল আইডি কি?
আমার হচ্ছে psdas.jdA@gmail.com স্যার।
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, আপনি কোন ইমেল আইডি তে পাঠিয়েছিলেন সেটা শেয়ার
হ্যাঁ
করুন তো।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ আমার কাছে আছে স্যার।
আপনার কাছে চাবি আছে?
ভিডিও মোড।
আমি স্যার অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমার এক্সক্লুসিভ কাস্টডিতে কখনোই চাবি থাকে না স্যার। আমি যখন কাজ করি অফিসে কাজ করে যেহেতু ফ্লোরটা সেন্ট্রালি লক থাকে এর জন্য আমি অফিসটা
চাবি
খুলে
কার কাছে আছে? আপনার কাছে আছে যে আলমারিতে
আমার
ফাইল আছে?
আমার কাছে নেই স্যার, অফিসের আমার চেম্বারের ভিতরেই চাবিটা আছে স্যার, ড্রয়ারের মধ্যে রাখা আছে। ওই দরজাটা খুললেই স্যার সব বোঝা যাবে স্যার।
আচ্ছা আপনি আমি ডেট ফিক্স করছি, আপনি সেখানে যাবেন,
স্যার
ইন প্রেজেন্স অফ পুলিশ ইনভেন্টরি
স্যার।
নেওয়া হবে, তারপরে
স্যার।
ডিসিশন হবে যে আপনি এখানে কোনো ফাইল মিসিং আছে কি নেই।
স্যার
ওই ইনভেন্টরি দিয়ে ইউ উইল বি পুটিং ইউর সিগনেচার ওভার দেয়ার
হ্যাঁ
so that in future you may not be put into any trouble.
স্যার আমি 6
Go
তারিখে
there tomorrow.
স্যার
But what time it will be
Well,
convenient?
at any
for you?
time, we have no problem.
Tomorrow, within 11 o'clock, you must reach to the office where you were
Sir.
working over there.
Sir.
And if you do not get the keys, you break open it in presence of the officer in charge.
Well,
You prepare the inventory 3 copies, keep it one with you, share it with the officer in charge. The officer in charge shall keep a inventory list with him. Then report back to this court on Monday,
Lordship,
right?
Lordship.
That you have whatever documents you have, and you face the disciplinary authority.
Lordship.
Have you supplied, you have
Lordship,
given
I have
a reply
submitted
to
my
your
reply
show
to-
cause?
Lordship, I have submitted in detail.
Ashok,
And Lordship, kindly a copy of the inventory may be also be provided.
your client will be present over there. He has to put his signature on the inventory.
A copy may be provided to me also.
Of course,
After
what I told, 3 copies,
Lordship.
one will be with you, one will be with the petitioner, with the authority, Jaigaon authority, and one in the custody of the officer in charge.
Grateful.
Ashun, in compliance with the order dated, direction dated November 27, 2024. What is his name? Mr. Such and such. Inspector in charge, Jaigaon Police Station is personally present before me. His such further appearance, for, oh yeah, further appearance is dispensed with. Stop para. The, who will be the authority to break open?
But in presence of any, Malad, in presence of you is also. You, in presence,
Assistant, additional,
executive officer.
a party to this,
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, but
correspondent number?
Lordship, probably it is written as assistant additional executive officer. It will be additional executive officer.
There is no post assistant,
No, Lordship.
so therefore it is additional.
Lordship.
প্রথমে লিখুন তো, leave is granted to the learned advocate for the petitioner to describe the respondent number 5 properly by amending the cause title. You correct it,
Lordship.
stop. The chamber of the petitioner, the lock of the chamber of the petitioner. Now, the chamber can be opened or?
No, my lord, what happened?
Chamber can be
That-
open, Lordship.
Initially, my lord, from 27 September 2024 to 30th September 2024, he obtained the CL. Then, my lord, on 30th September 2024, 21st 10 2024, he obtained an EL. On the last day of his office, on 26th, my lord, he has put a padlock over the said door, main entrance, my lord. And thereafter, my lord, very candid, my lord, we, because so that he cannot take out any file, we have kept another padlock over the same padlock milan.
No.
আচ্ছা, আচ্ছা,
Lordship, this is
আচ্ছা।
not the fact. Lordship, this is not the fact. Kindly consider.
Wait, I am not in fact. Lepleho.
No, Lordship,
The-
there is a admission that they are having the keys of my chamber.
The
Page number
Uh,
66 of my supplementary affidavit.
petitioner is a suspended employee of Joygaon Development Authority. The authority is alleging that the petitioner has put padlock in his chamber. As a result, the authority is unable to take access to it. The files and other documents are lying within the safe chamber. It is the safe chamber, it is required to be opened. So the petitioner is denying that the keys of the safe chamber are lying with him. Be that as it may, the lock of the chamber is broken in presence of the additional
5, yes, madam, 5.
additional
Executive officer,
executive officer of the Joygaon
development authority.
Development Authority, the respondent number 5 here, and the petitioner, and in presence of the inspector in charge, Joygaon Police Station. To take inventory of the articles, files, and other documents lying in the safe chamber. If necessary, by breaking open the almirah.
And the front door, front block.
Front lock already have
Oh,
said
oh,
break open.
Break open, not your lordship.
Yes.
Great.
By breaking open the almirah kept inside the safe chamber. The petitioner is required to be present at the time of such drill. Stop. The respondent number 5 shall prepare 3 copies of inventories. One shall be kept with the Development Authority, one with the IC, Joygaon Police Station, and the petitioner would be supplied with another copy. The petitioner and other authorities pending the presence at the time of inventory shall put their respective signatures on such. Place the matter in the list, and said exercise is to be carried out tomorrow in the first session of the office of the authority.
No, can you indicate the timing?
11 a.m.
That will better.
11 a.m. morning. Place the matter in the list on Tuesday under the heading to be mentioned.
Kindly
Lordship.
also note that yet he hasn't handed over the charge. Kindly, my lord, kindly indicate in the order.
Why are you not? আপনি চার্জ হ্যান্ড ওভার করছেন না কেন?
আমি স্যার চার্জ হ্যান্ড ওভার করতে গেছিলাম স্যার, আমি ফাইল টাইল দিয়ে চার্জটা হ্যান্ড ওভার করব।
Yes, the petitioner on the said date shall also hand over the charge
Lordship,
to the
kindly,
appropriate authority.
kindly one thing, Lordship, my humble prayer. Page number 66, the executive officer said he can open the chamber. That means they are possessing the key. There is no need to break it open. Because when it will
Where
be,
is the key?
Huh?
Where is the key?
Lordship, page number 66 of my
What
supplement,
is the key?
the executive officer said that it,
Where he is the key?
with the executive officer probably, he has said it.
Don't allege. If he feels, he will open. If it is necessary, there is no
No,
use
but-
in wasting
but-
the. Don't say anything. Next one.
Grateful. My officer, my lord, can be a personal affairs
Dispense with.
dispensed with. Kindly. Nam,
He understands Bengali? বাংলা বোঝেন? আচ্ছা শুনুন, আপনি কিন্তু প্রতিটা ফাইল ইনভেন্টরি যখন হবে সেগুলো কিন্তু ভালো করে লক্ষ্য রাখবেন। আপনি কিন্তু লিস্ট ধরিয়ে দিলে সেটা নিয়ে চলে আসবেন না। তার লিস্টটা ভালো করে মিলিয়ে, কারণ আলটিমেটলি you may be the person who will give the true picture, not the either of the parties. ঠিক আছে?
Well, though he has claimed that there was a complaint before the police station, but no such
Let
complaint.
us come on, let us come. You will come with the exact email on Monday.
Tuesday.
Otherwise, I will issue other rules against him.
Lordship. Grateful, Lordship. Grateful, Martha.
Item number 2. Quickly, Doctor, quickly. Two, who is in two?
For the petitioner, item number 2, Lordship.
Quickly, give it the,
Yes, my lord.
what is this?
This is single PPO,
Single
gratuity
PPO.
and arrear pension, Lordship.
Any representation of the state, give appearance. 3,
For the petitioner, item number 3, Lordship. This is single PPO, gratuity and arrear pension, dying harness, Lordship. For the state, Lordship. For the petitioner. This is ROPA 19, praying for gratuity and arrear pension, Lordship. For the petitioner. This is gratuity and arrear pension, single PPO. For the petitioner.
Lordship, I represent the state in this matter.
Single PPO, gratuity and arrear pension, dying harness, Lordship.
Grateful, Lordship.
For the petitioner. This is gratuity and arrear pension, ROPA 19. For the petitioner. This is single PPO, gratuity and arrear pension, Lordship. For the petitioner. This is gratuity and arrear pension, dying harness, Lordship. Single PPO.
I'm for the state.
For the petitioner. This is ROPA 19, gratuity and arrear pension. For the petitioner. Single PPO, gratuity and arrear pension. For the petitioner. Single PPO, gratuity and arrear pension. For the petitioner. This is treasury challan overdrawal, dying in harness, Lordship. For the petitioner. This is gratuity and arrear pension, dying harness, single PPO, Lordship. For the petitioner, Lordship. This is treasury challan overdrawal. For the petitioner. This is CPF to GPF, Lordship. For the petitioner. This is single PPO, gratuity and arrear pension, dying harness, Lordship.
For the state.
For the petitioner, Lordship. This is gratuity and arrear pension, dying harness, single PPO. For the petitioner. This is gratuity and arrear pension, single PPO. This is single PPO, gratuity and arrear pension, Lordship. For the petitioner. This is gratuity and arrear pension, single PPO.
Go.
My lordship, in this matter, I am the petitioner number 2 appearing in person. This is the affidavit of service, my lordship.
Very well, pass over, because limited of খুঁজে নাও file. Wait for some time. The problem, don't go.
$23 million, the issue was million, contempt.
কোনটা? এই করে নিও, which one is?
Milord, there was a direction upon us, Milord, to file a supplementary affidavit. Milord, yesterday it was served upon my learned counsel, Milord, for the opponent
It's a
also.
contempt application.
No, this is not contempt, Milord, this is new motion, 23.
Oh, this is your existence in question.
Existence in question. Milord, now, if Milord kindly takes my supplementary affidavit, Milord, before the adjudicating authority,
A poster.
not poster, Milord, not only the poster, there is a board in the building, and
What
Milord,
does it mean?
and Milord, it shows the signboard, the identity of the place, and Milord, we have also annexed the trade license, the
Very
electricity bill.
new. After rejection, you have put it.
No, Milord, that is not correct, that is not correct, because Milord, even before the
That
adjudicating
signboard
authority,
puts that is, state takes us nowhere. You may fix it before the High Court. also.
yes, that's why, Milord, we have annexed other documents
What are the
also.
other
Milord,
documents?
kindly see my trade license. It's in the same location. Milord, the
Can you explain the-
panchayat tax,
No, no. This is a Lekhi enterprise. You
Lokhi
have a-
Enterprise.
Lokhi enterprise? Yes. You have a GST registration applied in the name of Lokhi.
Lokhi Enterprise.
2020.
And this is the page 10 is your,
Milord,
page 10 is your
page 10, Milord, is my trade license.
trade license.
Yes,
In the name of
Lokhi Enterprise,
where?
Laden Lama Chhatri, Milord,
Where
Milord,
is
that's the name of trade in the middle of the page.
middle of Lokhi enterprise?
Lokhi Enterprise, kindly Milord, see the address.
Now we, now understood. Trade
Yes.
register certificate for the period
Yes,
to Laden.
yes, Laden Lama, Laden
Laden.
Lama Chhatri.
Ah,
She is the petitioner.
ah.
She is the sole proprietor. The name of the farm is Lokhi Enterprise.
Panchayat acknowledges a sum of rupees 750 from
Yes, to 2021. This was
Lokhi enterprise.
yes.
How can you pay? Trade license should be in the name of the whom?
Milord, it's a sole proprietorship farm. So, Milord, name is the Laden Lama. The name of the farm, the trade name is Lokhi Enterprise. That is the way the GST registration has been obtained in the trade name. And Milord, no sole proprietorship farm independently does not have any entity. It is the sole proprietor who is the legal entity. So, Milord, my name and the trade name must
I
go,
want to know this. form
Yes.
for Rule 58(2).
yes, of the Panchayat rules, Milord.
Yes.
Administration rules, Milord. 2, name of the proprietor, partner, director. It should be the proprietor in the instant case. That is Laden Lama, who is the petitioner before your
I
lordship.
want to know, I want to see the rule 58(2).
Milord, unfortunately, Milord, I have not.
Does it a rule that the rule prescribes that it would be, trade license would be in the name of the proprietor or in the name of the farm itself?
Milord, that's why, Milord, it mentions both of the identities, the name of the proprietor as well as the trade name. Because, Milord, so far as small shops are concerned, the owner is a individual, but the
But
name
I
may be different.
understand certificate issued for the period,
Yes,
It's of 2021, my lord.
and when this
The
rejection,
GST registration 2023.
yes,
no, GST registration she applied in 2023,
yes,
15/7/2023.
yes,
but this is the period for this stretch,
yes.
21, 22, 22, 23, 23, 24.
GST came in 2027.
2020,
2017.
yes.
So subsequently, she has applied.
Yes.
Yes. She
So
got
I-
the trade license from 2021. Why didn't she apply for the GST at that moment?
My turnover need to cross the threshold limit,
My lord,
and
when
it's
the
my
GST
discretion when I will
GST
apply.
authority went over there and they called the proprietor of this firm, my lord. She herself told, I have closed down the business, which corroborates that she was running the business since 2021 and which was closed down later on, my lord.
Then what is his benefit to get the GST number?
My lord, to issue fake invoice, my lord. That is why the and claim ITC, my lord. That is why it is done, my lord.
Milord, I am filing returns regularly, which is in their
That is
records.
what.
So
And
if
they
I
did
have,
not-
Milord,
they
if I
did not
have,
send
if I have,
did not-
Milord, if I have claimed fake ITC, if I am claiming fake ITC, let them cancel the ITC. What is stopping them from doing it?
They are doing since 2021, 2039,
Yes, what kind of business you?
2023.
Milord, they are a general hardware supplier. Cement, bricks, other hardware items, they are a general supplier. Not only to the contractors, but to the individuals also.
This trade license, at least, if it is in the rule prescribes that not the farm, but the owner would get the trade license,
My lord.
then it is all okay. But if this the rule mandates that the registration must be in the name of the farm, be it be proprietor, be it partnership, whatever. So then this carries no sense. He may have in the name or in his own name, a proprietorship farm. But the farm is not getting this. Mr. Ghosh is making a bridge between the farm and the proprietor.
Milord, can you take page 19 once, the GST registration certificate,
19 of the supplementary.
19 of the writ petition.
What does it say?
Milord, kindly, Milord, the first two columns. Legal name, the name of the petitioner, trade name, Lokhi Enterprise. Because this is the reason, Milord, because sole proprietorship firm independently is not a legal entity. It
Of
is the
course.
person. That is, Milord, the reason that my explanation, why two names should go hand in hand. Because if they want to come behind me, they cannot go behind Lokhi Enterprise, they have to find out the proprietor. Because it's not a company, it's not a firm.
My lord.
Now, Milord, my only question today is, you have caused an inspection. Maybe it is a surprise inspection with notice, without notice. I will come to that later. Law says whenever you have caused an inspection in a place of business for any reason whatsoever, in the common portal under Rule 25, you have to upload the inquiry report, photographs, what is your findings of the inquiry. What stopped them from uploading it in the common portal?
It has not.
It has not been. And
Uploaded.
this, Milord, this
You
breach,
file a report.
let them come and say this was uploaded in
In the form of
in this
affidavit.
date and time. And this, Milord, smacks of malafide.
My lord, first and foremost, with regard to photograph, my lord, when there was no place of business, what photographs will be uploaded? This is my question, my lord.
No, you explain it. You
My-
explain.
My lord, my lord.
Mandate. And what is the mandate which is uploading?
Yes,
See, give me the
Rule 25, Milord, I'll just hand it over to your lordship.
filing of supplementary FD, it has not been recorded, na?
No, Milord, it was yesterday, Milord, the date was fixed for filing of the supplementary.
affidavit filed on behalf of the petitioner. Be kept with the record.
Rule 25.
The petitioner is alleging that. Where is the cancellation?
Milord, the order of cancellation, Milord, is, Milord, at page 23. Oh, I'm sorry, Milord. Milord, 27.
27.
The order of cancellation. GST and service. Tax registration of the petitioner has been. Payable to the Assistant Commissioner. Assistant Commissioner, respondent number?
2.
the Assistant Commissioner of Revenue, Commercial Taxes and State GST, Kuch Bihar. By the order dated May 14, 2024, has cancelled the GST registration of the petitioner under section 29 within bracket 2 within bracket E of the WBGST Act 2017. Which is under challenge in the statute. Zoning improvement order has cancelled which by the improvement order dated such and such authority has cancelled the GST registration of the petitioner under section such and such by the order improved dated May 2020. So the petitioner is alleging that Rule 25, a procedure prescribed under Rule 25 of the WBST Rules 2017 has not been followed in cancelling GST registration of the petition. Stop to address the issue. Respondent number 5, respondent 2, directed to file a report justifying his action. File a report in the form of affidavit justifying his action. Such report be filed on your next date of hearing. Place the matter before the next available circuit bench.
Grateful. Affidavit of service. You pass button রাখো। Affidavit of service certificate.
Yes. এটা law of contempt উপরেরটা which the order dated 3rd November 22 that has not been complied with.
No, my lordship.
What was the order?
My lordship, my lordship, the order was, I caused and prayer before the Pradhan of our locality, Alipurduar, Parapar, Gan Panchayat, to, my lordship, can I submit in Bengali, my lordship?
Ah,
My lordship, আমি একটা চিঠি করেছিলাম যে আমার বাবার মানে আমাদের বসত বাড়ি সেই ল্যান্ডের উপর আমার বাবারই সেখানে একটা ইলিগাল কনস্ট্রাকশন আমাদের পাশে যারা থাকে তারা করছেন ওটার উপরে প্ল্যান পাস কিভাবে পেলো যেখানে তাদের এগেইনস্টে অলরেডি এই ডিগ্রি অ্যান্ড পার্মানেন্ট ইনজাংশন অর্ডার আছে আমার বাবার আন্ডারে আমি সেই ডকুমেন্টস গুলো চেয়েছি যে কি ডকুমেন্টস এর আন্ডারে ওনারা প্ল্যান পাস পাচ্ছে এটা কি অথরাইজ নাকি আনঅথরাইজড ওই চিঠিটার উপরেই জাস্টিস এমডি মোহাম্মদ নিজামুদ্দিন জাস্টিস অর্ডার করেছিলেন যে একটা ডিসিশন নিয়ে উইদিন 8 উইকস এটার উপরে অ্যাকর্ডিং টু ল পদক্ষেপ নেওয়ার জন্য সেটা উইদিন 8 উইকস চলে যায় ইভেন তারপরে কন্টেম্প ফাইল করি বারবার ওনাদেরকে চিঠি করে জানানো হয় কমিউনিকেট করা হয় আর ইভেন কন্টেম্প ফাইল করার আগে ওনাদেরকে নোটিশও করা হয় প্রধানকে বাট ওনারা কোনো ওটাকে
আপনি যে ল পড়েন প্রথমত আচ্ছা সেটা পরে আছে মানে একটা P4 annexure P4
for my
was directed to consider.
my lord.
So thus till date that has not been
Not
disposed
been
of.
considered, my lord. The answering respondent with the Pradhan, my lord, there was direction upon the state to see whether it was considered or not. My report says that it has not been considered yet. And the Pradhan has also been changed. There is a new Pradhan now. This Ruma Lakra is no more the Pradhan of that Gram Panchayat.
Who is the
Now,
new incumbent? Only one been changed.
yes, my lord. Now it's one Srita Roy. Sita Roy is the Pradhan.
এই প্রধানকে পার্টি করা হয়েছে গত দিনে। আমি
এই
এক্স
প্রধান?
প্রধান আর কারেন্ট প্রধান দুজনকে দিয়ে দিয়েছি নোটিশ সার্ভিস।
Anita, sorry,
রুমা লাগা
Justice Amrita Singh's name is Sita Roy.
Sita Roy is the new Pradhan, my lord. She has also not considered.
She has been served.
Yes, my lordship. My lordship, affidavit of service I gave.
Sita Roy, Sita Roy,
Yes, ma'am.
ইনাকে পার্টি করা হয়েছে।
Yes, my lordship.
She has been made included as part.
My lordship, এই প্রধানের যে
Who
হাজবেন্ড
is
আছে,
representing the Sita Roy? Mr. Bormon, he appeared for the state. State has got nothing to say.
my lordship, my lordship কন্টেম্প করেছেন গত যে প্রধান ছিল ওনার নাম রুমা লাকড়া, উনি কন্টেম্প করেছেন, ওনাকে বারবার জানার পরও উনি করেনি। তারপরে যিনি কারেন্ট আছেন উনি কারেন্ট আসার পর কন্টেম্প পিটিশন উনি এই ম্যাটারে পার্টি হয়ে নোটিশ পেয়েছেন। আর মাই লর্ডশিপ, এখন যে কারেন্ট প্রধান আছে ওনার হাজবেন্ড ওখানকার পঞ্চায়েত ছিলেন। ওনার হাজবেন্ড আমাকে 1 উইক আগে আলিপুরদুয়ার কোর্ট প্রেমিসেসে এটা বলেন যে এটার এই বিল্ডিং এর উপরে কোনো প্ল্যান পাস নেই, যদিও ওটা মুখের কথা মাই লর্ডশিপ, আমাকে কোনো ডকুমেন্টস দিয়ে
না,
জানানো হয়নি।
এখানে তো সে বিষয়টা বিচার হচ্ছে না।
হ্যাঁ।
জাস্টিস নিজামুদ্দিন ওনাকে ডিরেকশন দিয়েছিলেন যে P4 অ্যানেক্সচার রিপ্রেজেন্টেশনটা কনসিডার করে আপনাকে জানাতে।
My lordship.
That has not been done.
No, my lordship. My lordship, construction is continuing, my lordship. একতলা বিল্ডিং ছিল, এখন 3 তলার হয়ে গেছে, my lordship. ওনারা কোনো পদক্ষেপই নিচ্ছেন না, my lordship. আর যারা করছেন তাদের এগেইনস্টে
না,
অলরেডি
তাদের পদক্ষেপ নেওয়ার অর্ডার এটা নয়।
my lordship.
এটা হচ্ছে খালি ওটা আপনার রিপ্রেজেন্টেশনটা উনি কনসিডার করে যা কিছু একটা উত্তর দেবেন সেটা দেন। সার্ভিস হ্যাজ বিন এফেক্টেড।
My lordship, they service complete. My lordship, they get the. My lordship,
To take that
service.
ready to come to the court once, otherwise I have to issue the rule.
I will inform the concerned police station, my lord, to inform the lady of the Panchayat.
Please ask her to appear so that I can extend some time for consideration of whatever decision, whatever way. I don't know why they kept it pending. I am not issuing the rule. The rule, she may face a difficulty. I'm simply adjourning it. Monday,
My lordship, next week my exams are starting. my lordship.
also,
My lord, if there can be direction upon the concerned police station, my lord.
then I have to issue the rule.
Just to intimate, my lord.
My lordship,
We will do that now.
my lordship, notice under,
Very inform.
my lordship, show cause of rule issue, my lordship.
Asking her from Alipurduar here, nothing. Come tomorrow at least, but one thing. একটা জিনিস জানুন, আপনার কন্টেম্পট অ্যাপ্লিকেশনটা কিন্তু যে ফরম্যাটে থাকা উচিত তা নেই।
My
কিন্তু
lordship,
আপনি ইন পার্সন করছেন, এখানে আপনি কি প্রেয়ার করলেন? Ensure strict compliance of the order of judgment dated 3rd. এটা তো নয়, কন্টেম্পট কোর্ট তো আর এক্সিকিউটিং কোর্ট নয়। আপনাকে তো বলতে হবে এই কারণে উনি কোর্টের আদালত অবমাননা এইভাবে করেছেন। এখানে আমাদের যে রুল আছে, ক্যালকাটা হাইকোর্ট রুল, Seven, prayer of the petitioner shall distinctly state particular continuous act conduct alleged. প্রেয়ারটা হওয়া উচিত ছিল যে by not disposing of the representation in terms of that order. আপনি তো সেটা বলতে চাইছেন যে ওই রিপ্রেজেন্টেশনটা এখনো ডিসপোজ অফ করলো না, কিন্তু জজ সাহেব বলেছিলেন ওটাকে ডিসপোজ, এটা লিখতে হয়, নাহলে কন্টেম্পটা মেনটেনেবল হয় না।
my lordship, এটা কি তাহলে
না, এখন করতে হবে না, আমি আপনাকে লিভ দিচ্ছি টু অ্যামেন্ড দি প্রেয়ার পোর্শন। Mr. Chaudhary, help him, help her. Leave is granted to the petitioner who is appearing in person to correct the prayer portion of the application for contempt. Place the matter in the list tomorrow. Your father is a petitioner.
My lordship, petition number 1 and I'm the petition number 2.
Petition number 2. My petition number 2 leave is granted to petitioner number 2 who is appearing in person for self and on behalf of the petitioner number 1. Her father. Her father, petitioner number 2. Immediate service, you know. Please. কারেক্ট করে নেবে না ওই অ্যাডিশনাল অ্যাডভোকেট জেনারেল সাহেব আছেন উনি আপনাকে হেল্প করে দেবেন
Yesterday, in this matter, Millard, the medical council has Millard submitted an order, which Millard kind of an Millard interim order, which will be further placed before the council for final decision.
What kind of interim order?
Millard, it's a order where the P&D committee found that the standard treatment procedure has been maintained. That is their conclusion. But if Millard have a look at the conclusions, Millard would find how ridiculous and contradictory the findings are.
Contradictory কিছু
Millard, kindly see.
Report is not before me.
Millard, they were there. They're represented, Millard.
Mr. Bhomik,
আমাকে কোশ্চেন করে নাকি
give me
My
the
lord, there is a
report.
My lord, there is a provision of appeal against the decision of the medical council. We have already communicated to them under 26 of the Bengal Medical Act. There is a provision of appeal to the state government.
Acha, if you are aggrieved, you can prepare for an appeal. What he is
Yes,
saying.
Millard, I have ran before the police for 5 years for my daughter's death. Now I will prefer an appeal. Millard, I'll run everywhere, but I will not get justice.
The one thing what is appealing to me, because the police is investigating the matter. Possibly last occasion you have submitted that he contacted other doctors where from he was satisfied that there is nothing found in it. But one thing I am not getting very clear answer. That is why I have entertained this writ petition. That she was administered with 5 consecutive injections.
Yes,
And what is the impact of that injection? Whether the cause of death is administration of that injection or not, nowhere it is coming very clearly.
and Millard, their report, if I may just read out, Millard, hears me, Millard, for a minute. The child appears to have developed neurological completions of this febrile illness. They are admitting that she was non-serious at the time of admission. Within 15 minutes, the child has developed neurological complications. This is their finding. Acute viral, bacterial, rickettsial infections can cause rapid clinical deterioration and present with CNS signs and symptoms. This is their finding. So neurological complications had appeared. They have agreed. Rapid clinical deterioration has happened. They have agreed. The third line, Millard would find how ridiculous it is. The members of the P&D committee of WGMC finds that the treatment administered falls within the ambit of standard medical prescription. And they have said in the line before that when she was admitted, she was non-serious. Only with fever she was admitted, with no diagnosed.
Mr. Rose, according to you, I cannot pass on this kind of findings of the what is called
Millard, the P and I don't know what is the full form of this.
P&D committee means
Professional and penal and ethical
committee constituted under
the medical council.
medical council, but it
Yes.
is a committee under the medical council.
Committee under the medical council,
Variant act is Variant act,
the medical council act.
medical council.
Yes.
Now,
Now-
Mr. Bhomik is suggesting you are agreed by this finding, you have to prefer an appeal.
They have not passed a final order. This P&D committee's report, according to this order, has been placed before the council for final decision.
Council has accepted. Mr. Bhumi, council has accepted it.
No, my lord, as per the council of decision, there is a provision of appeal. There is a, we have proceeded in
You
accordance
have
with
not
all the-
arrived at a final decision. This
My
is
lord,
an, this is your committee, your
There's a
report
disturbance.
suggests, though the report is not before me.
Baba, ye-
Who are you?
Yes, my lord.
The private respondent, though on from your, though from your, Mr. Bhumik, I am not getting you. It is too much sound behind you.
Yes, my lord. We are in the Calcutta High Court bar, my lord. That's why.
Don't do that. Where from you can communicate properly, do it from there. Please do it from somewhere else. I'm not getting you properly.
Yes, my lord.
my lord, they have not prayed against any relief against us. Before kindly consider the prayer
No,
portion.
no prayer has been made, but since this has been given to you, you have
And-
been investigating. Now, your report last, and this is not a, this is not marked.
Prayer-টা দিবি, prayer-টা।
Millard, since the memo
But you
dated
can you see the
23,
prayer, my lord.
signed in 2024,
90
can we see what is going on?
No, this is memo of 15th April 2023.
Yes,
Yes.
signed in 24.
Explanation concern medical practitioner treatment related documents, deposition as well as the treatment, the patient decided to close the case. Information to all concerned by concurring the observation of the concerned committee. This is the second part.
Yes.
The complaint was made by the petitioner.
Yes,
Huh?
yes, my lord. My lord, there is a rules say we have a four-tier decision-making process. The P committee is the investigating authority. So after investigation, they produce the report to the council. Then council consider the entire matter, and after considering that the council, it's a decision of the council that there is no negligence on the part of the. So my lord, if the decision is not acceptable by them, they can prefer an appeal under the section 26 of the Bengal
Don't
Medical
repeat,
Act.
Mr. Bhumik, don't repeat any things
Yes,
again and again.
sorry, my lord. my lord.
Just kindly explain these decisions of yours is of 15th April 2023.
Yes.
The register is, had you communicated this order to the complainant petitioner?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes. On 15th April, we are,
2024.
the next page, when 15th April 2024, we have communicated to the petitioner, including the two doctors who was involved in this case.
When?
15th April 2024.
What, when
By
the
speed
decision,
post. By
when the
speed post.
decision was taken?
But taken is not ultimate decision. Uh, uh, yeah. 5th August 2023.
No,
Since
I am getting the decision of the registered medical council's decision comes in the 15th April 23.
No, 5th August 2023 was a decision of the council, and that decision was ultimately confirmed in the next meeting. Then that was communicated by the register.
Yes, I understand. The ultimate confirmation is of 15th April 23.
24.
Then why you have written? Please see your paper report in second page.
Second page.
Second page, my lord. It was communicated to 24. 15th April 2024.
When the decision was taken.
Initially, 5th August 2023.
That is the committee decision. Your decision when?
Committee placed the decision to the council.
Council decision when?
Well, that is the committee decision earlier, 28th March 2023. It is
If the council, it is a meeting dated, 23 has took a decision, everything. Now this register
council
is
in it-
putting 5th August 23 decision was communicated to the petitioner and the doctor against whom allegation was on almost after 1 year.
After confirmation, the next meeting, then it was
They
completed.
may confirmation in next meeting in 15th April 23.
No, my lord, sorry, sorry.
Why ever is 23 written 2023? I'm seeing it in the second page.
Yes, 5th August, that is the final decision of the council. 5th August 2023.
Yeah, please come here. 5th August 23 was the second meeting. Right? 5th August 23.
Yes,
Then when you are communicating?
yes, we have communicated 15th April 2024.
Then why? Why? 15th April 2023? Why 1 year? What were you doing? What you were doing so far? 5th August, this you initiated this one. Is a date on the alleged that on 7th October 2018. This was complaint against Dr. Hajra by Roman Borbon. When the
Yes.
complaint was made?
2019,
2019.
page 129.
Yes,
Then you took 4 years to take a decision and you
Yes.
took 1 year to communicate it.
the council has broken, then the new council came, then it was placed by
Council broke
new
in,
committee.
council
That's
came.
why we not. We
Milord,
have-
kindly, Milord, my respectful submission, don't relegate me for the appeal. Milord, it's an
No,
appropriate
this
case,
is a
Milord.
bogus association. Always doing politics, nothing doing with any. One complaint lodged in 19, ultimately it was disposed in 23, communication in 24.
Election was going on.
Do election, don't do this patient treatment, leave aside treatment. Do only election. Who is this president of this? Is a structure of this council, medical council?
I have to find out.
This is West Bengal Medical Council. What is your hierarchy? What is your structure?
You know, the constitution section 4 of the Bengal Medical Act.
So there must be a president and all these things. No?
Yes,
These are the
President,
election
Vice
of this office bearer.
President, Vice President, and including the nominee of the state government, 27 members, they are considered.
এত দেরি হবে আমরা
আমি কি করবো?
It's headed by a president,
এক বছর লাগে একটা order দেওয়া
Dr. and vice president is Dr. Sushanta Kumar Roy.
Present.
Yes,
বলবেন
as
না
per their website. Sudipto Kumar Roy is the president.
West
As
Bengal
per-
Medical Council President. Who is the West Bengal Medical Council President?
And Sudipto Rai, Dr. Sudipto Rai.
Since when he is the president?
Probably 21 or 22 after election,
So
as per direction of the High Court.
this report was prepared at the time when he was the president.
My lord,
যখন এটা করেছে
At
তখন
the
ওই president
time the report was prepared, he was the president.
yes. 23 years the president.
Mr. Ghosh,
Yes.
this, so far physical evidence is concerned, possibly this has already been erased from everywhere. What is actually troubling me, that I am not getting any clear answer regarding the administration of successive injection to the
Yes,
victim.
yes. And Milord,
Who can
just
justify?
for your lordship's
The
assistance.
doctor might have said that this was required. Now the independent agency like medical council was asked to go into this thing. Whether the cause of death is administration of those medicines. So that appropriate steps for negligence can be taken.
Yes, so Milord,
But
the entire medical record pertaining to this patient with great difficulty, my lord, we have obtained the entire record, which is part of the writ petition. It has been supplied by the CMH. The clinical sheets, the registers maintained at that relevant point of time. My lord, my only prayer is, my lord, if your lordship's discretion, your lordship kindly constitutes a committee comprising of 2-3 doctors, or at least 2 senior doctors. Let them have a look at it. Your lordships can, under Article
No,
226,
no,
court
that
can
what I.
cause an inquiry. Because, my lord, this is not something.
There were altogether four petitions administered on the petition. Two of them were anti-violence. And one tablet was given for anesthesia tablet was given for. For the injection administered, which was necessary at the moment.
So police authority was examined some doctors over the issue. Who are they?
They are the doctors from the North Bengal Medical College, Dr. B.K. Goswami and Dr. D.C. Verma, were asked to give an expert opinion.
What was the expert opinion?
My lord, finding that standard medical procedure was followed.
Due to effect of disease condition of the lungs and liver, lordship.
Yes. That is, my lord, the conclusion of the postmortem report.
Is there any conclusion, anything the two experts have suggested that medicine administered to the victim has got no nexus with her?
নামগুলো টাইপ করে দিতে পারেন নামগুলো টাইপ করে দিতে বলছি টাইপ করে দিতে পারেন
My lord, whatever was the conclusion
No,
of
this
the
is a very evading answer. Standard medical procedure was observed.
yes.
Yes.
But the specific allegation of the petitioner is that his daughter was ill and hearty, sudden illness, went to hospital, was successively administered with some injections and ultimately succumbed. His indication is that maybe the cause of the death is those injections. Postmortem, possibly it has not come out in the, what is the postmortem
Death
report?
was due effects of disease condition of lungs and fever, lungs and liver. Now, my lord, a 12-year-old daughter,
All on
absolutely
a
fit and
sudden,
fine.
all on a sudden, lung and liver will be.
Lordship, actually, the matter, what happened, the date was occurred on 7 October 2018, Lordship. And FIR was lodged before us on 23rd October
মিউট হয়ে গেল
18, Lordship. So after 16 days, so difficulties was when we received the complaint, Lordship, we immediately rushed to the place of occurrence, Lordship. And we're also seeking for the injection, which one they have given to the minor girl, Lordship. But from the administrative office, we come to know that the
hospital authority did not preserve the
Preserve the-
from the
No, while is not, that is what I am saying,
Yes.
that everything has been erased, but ultimately the medicine which was administered, that was available, prescriptions are
Yes,
available.
that is available. But what
That is-
actually was administered probably in 2024, we will not get to know.
No, at least you have to rely on that.
I have to
whatever
rely
the-
on that. I
the
cannot go
whatever
further.
Cannot go further. So the IO has got the expert opinion from some other doctor. Doctor's opinion, you see that what is the doctor, is there any indication about administration of these medicines
No,
on the report?
Nothing. My lord, the doctor also reiterated what was the postmortem report, the last slide. Death was due effects of disease
In
condition of
actually-
lungs and liver.
we're also seeking for the report from
Have you
North Bengal
taken
Medical
any
College, Lordship.
opinion from any doctor privately?
No. My lord, one opinion is there from the additional public prosecutor, which was on record before the learned lower jurisdictional magistrate. When, my lord, the FRMF was moved, our Nadaji petition. That opinion, my lord, I have annexed. We have got a copy of that.
What he said?
He says that without conducting any prior clinical examination, administration of the these injections requires to be investigated by OFA trial, charges requires to be framed. That was his opinion, but that has no value today, my lord. If we go legally speaking, it is, my lord, just a persuasive report which, my lord, I cannot harp upon.
First of all, I need to know from you.
What it is? Report.
Mhm.
Lordship in
ওইটা আছে তো অর্ডারের আমার petition annex করা আছে।
Which
Question
question
answer.
will?
Histopathological report.
এই নাও ঢুকিয়ে দিয়েছি
For this, to do one thing,
ছেলেটাকে দেখেন
the chemical composition of these medicines
এটা দিয়ে আমরা করব
and vis-a-vis the condition, the lung and liver was so bad that within few minutes she succumbed to death. This doctor is the assistant professor, Department of FN and Toxicology. Not the
FMT forensic medicine.
Do one thing. You have administered those medicines. You file an affidavit explaining what was the situation, why you had administered those medicines. And you have liberty, obviously, you can say that these cannot have any impact. And so far, this doctor is concerned, particularly the question to the IO, answer to the IO, put it in on affidavit. Ask this doctor to put it, so that he can contradict by any private opinion. Thereafter, the medical board may be.
Correct. Absolutely. Ashok.
The 12-year
12-year-old at the time of her death.
12-year minor daughter,
Page 31.
the petitioner, all on a sudden became ill on date of occurrence.
Millard,
7 October 2018.
7th October 2018.
She was taken to which hospital?
Millard, Falakata Super Specialty Hospital.
Calcutta Super Specialty Hospital, where the respondent number 9 treated her. Unfortunately, succumbed to death
what are
within
Millard, the next morning,
Next one, on Bengal Medical.
8th October 2018 at North Bengal Medical College in the morning.
oh Falakata. From Falakata, she was removed to
She was
It's transferred to another nursing home at Kalipurduar.
So, at Kuchbihar, she was referred out of Falakata at 11:50 in the night. When the condition started deteriorating, she was referred out. Since Falakata, Kuchbihar is closer, the parents felt that we should go to a private nursing home, Kuchbihar. Kuchbihar Mission Hospital, they went. Mission Hospital saw the condition of the patient, said we cannot do anything. She's deteriorating, go to medical college. On way, she passed away. She was brought dead to the medical college. That's why the postmortem was conducted.
she became no. Time became ill. Time.
Millard, 11:45, Raigad started. 11:50, she was referred.
No. When she became ill on the on the date.
Millard, evening around 8 o'clock. Millard, I'll just see what was written in the FIR. একটু বলো তো।
No. 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock, yes.
The daughter of minor daughter of the petitioner was aged about 12 years. became ill in the morning of, at about 10 o'clock in the morning of October 7, 2018.
No, no, morning she was feeling ill, feverish. She was taken to the hospital at night 10 o'clock.
But became ill. Ill?
Night na, morning.
And in the 10 o'clock in the night, she was taken to Calcutta Super Specialty Hospital.
সকালে একবার আসলাম আবার
The respondent number 9, a doctor of the same hospital, treated her, but the condition when deteriorated, she was taken to, she was referred to she was taken by the petitioner to a nursing home at Kuch Bihar.
Kuch Bihar.
But the said nursing home, considering the condition of the petitioner, of the said, of the daughter of the petitioner, had refused to admit her and advised the petitioner to take her to the hospital. On the way to North Bengal
Medical college.
Medical College, the victim succumbed. Stop. The petitioner thereafter lodged a complaint with the Calcutta police station, giving rise to. What is the case number? UD case number.
Let Falagata PS case number 432 of 2018, dated 23rd October
No, under
2018.
dated 23rd.
23rd October 2018, 304A.
Under 604. Indian Penal Code.
Indian Penal Code.
Stop. The said criminal case though ultimately ended. Now, the police authority, after investigation, had filed a final report. But the petitioner still that the petitioner was not satisfied with the investigation. Now, still, this police case is still open.
No, it's not open.
It is closed.
Yes, twice they have submitted final report, twice we have Naraji,
The
thrice.
petitioner is not satisfied with the investigation. By this, the investigation explained that direction upon the health department of the state to constitute a medical board to investigate into the cause of the death of his daughter. That an advocate for the state submits a report of the report. Now, this is reliance on the instruction she has received from the inspector in charge for Calcutta police station. The same instruction later addressed to the investigating officer of the said aforementioned criminal case by the Assistant Professor, Department of FM and Toxicology of the North Bengal Medical College. Having the same doctor has opined that administration of medicine at the Calcutta super specialty hospital not be the cause of the death of the center, but not as doubted by the petition. So, the doctor has not been clearly opined that say doctor is required to put the said his said opinion by way of affidavit on record. So that the prayer of the petitioner to constitute a medical board can be considered in a proper perspective. Besides, the respondent number 9 as whom the petitioner is putting the allegation. He is required to file an affidavit detailing the medicines he administered so far upon the said doctor and the possible effect and also the whether there could be an effect of the on the victim of the said medicines. Such affidavits we have found in a period of 2 weeks from date. Copy thereof be supplied to the advocate for the petitioner, enabling him to respond appropriately within a period of 1 week from the date of receipt of the same report. And then 2 days before the next available certificate. What is this? Then first you get the views independently.
Yes.
Forget about this medical council.
Yes.
Then you can get an opinion independently. So you prepare or you create a situation where the court can see that
Yes.
whether your opinion and their opinion can.
Right.
be-
I got the point, Millard. Millard, kindly, Millard, records one line, Millard, to protect me from the alternative remedy. Millard,
What is that?
one line, Millard, that your lordship has been
Is
inclined
there
to.
is there any appeal period over there, Mr. Bhomik?
30 days.
3
months.
30 days, 30 days from the
No,
date of,
3 months.
3 months.
No,
3 months.
3 months.
from the date of.
Communication of the order.
So I think that you have
That
thought
you-
about it, that you have given the extended the period of limitation.
You can.
Or medical council is so generous. You are communicating your order after 1 year so that they can prefer after 2 years over there. Rest assured it will be condoned, even if you feel aggrieved. No.
But,
Link
affidavit also.
Every service.
link করে দিন। না এই 30 days 3 months বলে দিন।
Lordship, I'm for the Kalimpong Municipality. Lordship, they have just given me the copy yesterday, Lordship. I need further instructions, like kindly place the matter in the next circuit bench, Lordship.
So I'm for the
Yes,
Lordship, I have just received the copy yesterday. Lordship, I need further instructions, Lordship. Kindly keep the matter in the next circuit bench.
allegation.
They have disallowed my sanction, application for sanction.
Is there any appeal?
No, Millard, tribunal is not there.
Acha. So come with the
instructions,
report, come with the report.
Lordship, kindly keep fixing the matter next circuit, Lordship.
Yes,
Because
come with the report.
next circuit, Lordship, I'll submit.
Yes, next circuit, but come with the report.
I'll come with the report now.
yes,
Yes. Azul. Where is the order impugned?
Milord 55. I'm sorry, Milord 58.
The order of the chairperson of the Board of Administrators of the municipality of the Kalimpong municipality dated September 9, 2024 is under challenge, whereby the prayer of the petitioner for a sanction of a building plan has been rejected. The municipality is directed to file a report justifying their such action in the form of affidavit within a period of 2 weeks from date. A copy thereof is supplied to the learned advocate for the petitioner, enabling the petitioner to respond to such a report. That's it for the next available circuit bench.
Grateful.
Good. 5 minutes.
Petitioner Lordship. Lordship, on earlier occasion, Lordship, the case was adjourned as because the private respondents were not served. Lordship, I have served upon them and the service is complete.
But they are not served the stage. Police has been made a party.
Lordship, they are not the answering respondents.
But you have made party, but you cannot make an election that
I have served the Commissioner, Police.
it's up to the GP,
Lordship.
not this way. ফেল দিল।
I am for the petitioner in item number 27, Lordship.
I am for the state, my lord.
This is the affidavit of service.
What is this?
Lordship, the father of the
Compassionate appointment. For compassionate appointment.
father
My
of
lord, on the on the last question, my lord has asked me to ensure what steps have been taken by the department. My lord, I have the instruction, as per the instruction already, the department has forwarded it to the higher authorities, my lord, and it is pending there. Later direction be passed to
Oh,
the,
yes, yes,
May I,
what-
Lordship?
in which department?
It's Department Panchayat, Lordship. The block development officer is the main authority who has to send and upload my proposal in a proper format,
No,
Lordship.
So this is as per notification is page 19.
Lordship,
You are the son, daughter, who are?
son
Son of the deceased panchayat employee.
employee, Lordship. And within 5 months of the father's demise,
When died?
on 3rd March 2019,
So from 19,
it's pending, Lordship.
my lord,
how far you have progressed?
my lord, from our department, it has been forwarded to
department
respondent,
means our
the PDO and the Panchayat, my lord. It has been forwarded to, my lord, the Commissioner of Panchayat and Rural Development, my lord, respondent number 3. And the matter is pending before them, my lord.
Pending before them will not do.
My lord, that's why I submitted that later direction be passed on respondent number 3 to
One thing,
within a
Lordship.
time frame to
One thing, Lordship.
dispose of.
Kindly come to page number 54 of my petition, Lordship. Page number 54. At paragraph number 1, Lordship. This is the last thing I have received from them, Lordship. At paragraph number 1, it has been clearly mentioned that this proposal means my proposal of appointment has been sent to this office without uploading in the intra-PRD portal, Lordship. That means my proposal has been sent to them with a technical glitch, Lordship. And this is the 5th year, Lordship. I am almost in starvation, Lordship.
So now this portal has been sent to this office without uploading into RPD portal.
Yes.
So remove it.
And they again,
All glitches have been cleared.
Acha.
Their file have been processed and it was sent on 26th of November 2024 before the respondent number 3, the commissioner. Now it is pending there, my lord.
Show me your instruction.
My lord.
that means after filing this petition, they have done this, Lordship.
If my lord comes to annexer 10, last page, my lord, last page,
Supply him a copy.
my lord.
So
After filing this petition,
This has
after
been
first
done.
hearing, this has been done,
it
Lordship.
has been done.
Otherwise, prior to
Now, this commissioner, is required to take his stance now. What
Yes.
is required to do.
proposal has already been done, Lordship,
So
from their end. Everything is the initial pre-RDS, everything is, they have done.
What he will do now, he will consider that whether he will be eligible, otherwise eligible or not.
My lord, from our end, we have said that he is eligible. So that thing has, this later depiction, we have already forwarded everything. Now it is
If a direction is passed over this
Complete the
commissioner,
procedure within a time frame, Lordship.
yes, madam, within a time
Yes.
frame, it will be.
Yes.
Affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petitioner to kept with the record. The father of the petitioner was a, what kind of group D staff?
Panchayat Kormi, as per the appointment,
He was a panchayat.
Kormi, yes.
He died in harness, huh?
Group D staff he was.
So a group D staff was a group D staff of a, which panchayat?
My lord, he was, my lord, Gram Panchayat Karmi, Rampur 1, Gram Panchayat under Tufanganj 2, Kuch Bihar.
Where from you are reading?
My lord, the report, madam.
Acha. The petitioner, the father of the petitioner was GP means? Oh,
Gram-
acha,
Gram
Gram
Panchayat.
Panchayat Kormi under Rampur 1 Gram Panchayat, Tufanganj 2 block development block. He died in harness on
10th March 2019.
March 10, 2019. Within 5 months, within 5 months thereafter, the petitioner, being the son of the deceased employee, applied for compassionate appointment in terms of the notification of the Department of Panchayat and Rural Development, Government of West Bengal, bearing memo number page 19. It is September 29, 2014. Stop. The petitioner is complaining delay in disposal of his said fare. None additional. There submits that he has the instruction of the block development officer to fund 2 development block. The respondent number?
Three, Lordship.
Video
No,
3.
no, video, not
Video is 6, Lordship.
6.
Bit number 6. 6. To submit that the prayer of the petitioner has been sent to the commissioner slash direct commissioner or
Commissioner
commissioner
of Panchayats and Rural Development Department.
Commissioner of Panchayats and Rural Development Department for further steps. Stop. He files copy of the said instruction, which is taken on record. It appears from the said, it appears that the part of that additional district magistrate Panchayat Coach Bihar under his memo dated November 26, 2020 has sent the proposal of appointment of the petitioner to the commissioner, commissioner of Panchayat and Rural Development. Commissioner of Panchayat and Rural Development Department. Respondent number 3 here. Stop. The said respondent is directed to take forward steps in accordance with law for appointment of the commissioner. Stop. Such exercise be concluded expeditiously, preferably within a period of 6 weeks from the date of communication of his order. WP such and such is disposed of in the above terms without any order as to what since no affidavit has been invited, deemed to have been. Now next one.
Deeply
Affidavit of service. Right. 28, what?
I am for the petitioner, my lord. My lord, here is the affidavit of service. My lord, matter pertains to illegal
demolition by the Alipurduar municipality, my lord. My lord, in the year of 2022, petitioner buy the land by the way of sale deed, my lord. In the year of 2023, he got the sanctioned building plan from the Alipurduar municipality, which your lordship filed in the page 41, my lord. My lord, thereafter, in the year of 2024, he make the construction of a two-storied building, my lord. But thereafter, my lord, out of nowhere on 27th of 2024, the executive officer of Alipurduar municipality sent one demolition notice, my lord, which your lordship find on page 42, my lord. Only kindly come to page 42 once. Yes. It has come to our notice to understand the various official sources that some encroachment illegal structure have been.
Yes, is understood.
My lord, this is being treated under section 152 of the BNSS. My lord, as per BNSS, 152 powers conferred upon the district magistrate or executive magistrate. My lord, here he is the executive officer of the Alipurduar municipality. Kindly see 152 of the BNSS one.
He is not the authority to issue
No, my-
this 152 notice.
Thereafter, my lord, petitioner having no other alternative filed one title suit before the
Competent civil court. then-
competent civil court. My lord, where from 13th of
Now, what do you want? Your consideration of your,
FIR, my lord. FIR and for compensation, my lord, because they illegally demolished my house. My lord, because there is a restraint order from the civil court. My lord, kindly see page.
already demolished.
Already demolished, my lord. With
Lordship,
the JCB, my lord. Kindly page
First of-
61 once.
Lordship, first of all,
Page
he's telling
61.
about page 42, Lordship, kindly have a look into the page 42, 1 second, Lordship. Before this notice, Lordship, already the concerned authority sent him a notice dated 12/7/2024, that is SOCOS notice, Lordship. And after receiving, in spite of receiving this SOCOS notice, the petitioner did not turn up. And there is a illegal encroachment in the said building, Lordship, and already we have sent a
Encroached
notice.
upon what?
Lordship, plot of land which he purchased, it is in plot number 128, whereas the illegal construction, extension of the illegal construction, it has been noticed in.
No, construction is wholly illegal or he has encroached upon somebody?
Encroached upon somebody else. That
Who
illegal
is the,
encroachment has
who's,
been
on
demolished.
whose land he has encroached upon?
It is in plot number, adjacent plot, number 635.
So if the owner of that plot is not coming.
No.
So there must be a complaint from the owner of the other
My
plot
lord.
that you have encroached upon it. Is this that whom you have not made party?
No, my lord,
With
because
in this regard, one civil suit is also pending. There is an order of injunction.
upon violating the order, the executive officer of the Alipurduar municipality.
No, I want to
demolished
understand,
My
this is a dispute between you and the other, your neighbor.
my- So far my instruction, there is no such dispute, my lord.
Then why you have encroached upon somebody else's land, what municipality is saying?
And Lordship, before that, we already issued him a SOCOS notice. And
No,
we already
so-called
give him a.
notice is understood, but
Yes,
you
Lordship.
have encroached upon the land of other person
Plot number
whom you
635.
have not made party.
I am not made an encroachment to the other party, my lord.
But
So
they
far-
are saying you have encroached upon. What is your business if that person is not coming and complaining? You may say that if it is a government that encroached, then you can say it is unauthorized. He has got a valid plan. You have
Lordship, after,
sanctioned
actually, Lordship, after inquiry, it was come to the knowledge of the municipality, Lordship.
what?
That there is an encroachment, Lordship, and because of this encroachment and illegal construction, we already, municipality already sent the notice, SOCOS notice to this person. Lordship.
Please explain. If he has encroaches upon the land of another person, either he has made a complaint to you, though it is not your dispute, there may be a title dispute, go to civil court.
Yes.
You can only say that the construction is without plan. Construction is being encroached upon the public road. This is your case.
Lordship, actually, that will be the, submit by the concerned municipality. Actually, Lordship, we are represented by the
The
state.
bulldozer theory has gone now. No more bulldozer theory.
Lordship,
Don't represent the.
we
municipality.
don't represent
We
the
are
municipality,
representing
Lordship.
state.
Where is the municipality?
Or I served them. There is affidavit of service, but
But
they didn't
affidavit of
appear.
who usually appears for
Let me-
Alipurduar municipality?
Fine.
Who is the lawyer for the Alipurduar municipality?
Well, sometimes Mr. Ghosh appeared, so I personally talked with him. He said that, my lord, sometimes I appeared if the municipality approached him.
Can he take the responsibility of the municipality?
I don't know.
Last question, I represented the.
You can
I can communicate with.
represent the,
Yes, my lord, I will communicate with the chairman and ask for the instruction.
come on Monday.
Good.
Feedback.
I'm applying for the petitioner. This is the matter heard by your lordship yesterday. When the petitioner was given Mala 3 marks, marks for his B.Ed from Utkal University.
Yes, what instruction you have?
We have got some instruction, madam, but people also kindly see the operating option portion of the division bench order, madam. Page 33, madam.
These have already been settled.
Only 50, sorry. But we leave it to the selection committee to consider the admissibility of this document, whether if.
Why are you reopening?
Madam, kindly. Whether if she wants to make a submission, she may do so before the selection committee. Let the matter be remitted to the selection committee, and selection committee shall prepare the panel on the basis of the certificate granted by the Utkal University and award necessary marks. It would be open for the selection committee to consider this communication of the petitioner, and if any representation is made by her within 2 weeks from today, then the selection committee may consider that representation dated 11.
No, there is no division bench, there is single bench order.
Addressed to the Secretary of Calcutta University. The selection committee shall within 1 month make their recommendation to the DI of school, and the DI of school shall consider this panel given by the selection committee and pass necessary order in accordance with law within 15 days time. Malat, the selection committee took 19 years to prepare the revise the panel. Malat. It was communicated to the DI in the month of February. Malat. Thereafter, DI sought instruction from the commission. Malat. Since from 1997, commission came into role. Malat. DI sought for instruction. Malat. But DI has got some information. If you also allow me to show those. Malat. Malat, she was selected in the first RLST. Malat. The petitioner. Malat. She has refused that appointment because she was not adversant with Bengali man. And she is seeking appointment in the same post under the same medium. Mala.
But you cannot deny the selection.
But the DI has the option to, since there was direction to take a reasoned order. Mala. Let kindly direct the DI to take the order.
No, what that kindly direct was the once he was ultimately this has the selection list has been prepared. He stood one in the panel. Now you are digging another grave.
Yes,
Once
Lord.
upon a time she appeared.
While no, my lord, after appearing in the selection before the selection committee, she participated in the first RLST.
Forget about that.
Yes. But on what ground she declined that appointment?
Oh,
because
Submissions
let me place my case.
not been by the respondent of.
No,
the-
you, Mr. Pal,
But there was-
don't, I will not allow you to this. Just tell me, the point is now after the successive orders of this court, contempt even, you took this plea, that it will be given, the appointment would be given.
But content was against the school, my lord, not against the DI.
So who will be, the managing committee has prepared the panel.
Yes, but if there is any discrepancy in the panel, the DI has to look into it, my lord.
What
Is she-
discrepancy you want finding
They say
out?
the present school also has the same medium, my lord, Bengali medium. She is
Ah.
not adversant with
You are
Bengali.
not looking into that. Adverse to the Bengali, you are not. But that why this panel was, the order
DI
was.
will only approve the
My
panel.
lord lordship, kindly see the
DI
order,
has-
page 35, 36 of
DI
my
cannot give the
petition.
appointment. DI
This
will
is
only
the-
approve the panel.
Approve it. Approve it. What is the direction?
My lord,
And I am the view that another chance may be given to the managing committee of the concerned school,
Yes.
under whom the selection committee operates to comply with the order of the court. Accordingly, managing committee of the school direct to ensure the selection committee prepares the panel on the basis of the certificate granted to. Only issue was whether the Utkal University certificate will be recognized or not. This was not recognized. Number allotted. As soon as number allotted, she became one in the panel. Now, since then, in the meantime, she will sit tight. She has appeared in the RLST.
If you also can you see the resolution adopted by the selection committee, which was suppressed by the subsequent committee, madam. Kindly see.
God, you cannot reopen it. Do it in your own way. Do it, you will not entitled to reopen all these things. You just tell me when you are going to do that.
In view of the division bench order, I have to take a recent order, madam.
Where is the division bench order? Show me. Page 33 is Justice Anindra Bose's order.
Madam, this is the
No, there is a
This is
quotation,
observation made in the
quoted,
division
the
bench.
division bench order has been quoted, that is there. Thereafter, the honorable single bench's order is there. Yes,
After
subsequently.
quoting, it has been by appearing on such and such a copy of the communication. Ultimate direction is in this here.
Yes, page 35.
Ultimate direction, division bench, considering division bench, page 35 is the direction.
But there was no direction upon the DI. The single bench has, the coordinate bench has not directed the DI.
DI for
Only to take a recent decision.
No,
It was already directed by the division bench.
this has marched to this order, last order. This has been marched to this order. Under such circumstances, I am of the view, another chance may be given the managing committee of the concerned school, under whom the selection committee operates to comply with the order of this court.
Yes.
Nothing left to be
Order of the
decided.
Division bench.
Order
Not
of this court.
This court.
This court means accordingly, the managing committee of the council is directed to ensure the selection committee papers to the panel of the basis of the certificate granted by the Utkal University upon giving the necessary marks for obtaining such certificate. The managing committee shall further ensure the panel recast is sent to the district inspector of school for 2 weeks to the date of. Now it has been sent to you. You are not entitled to reopen the issues. What you are required? What is your job to now?
To approve the panel.
Approve the panel.
As you-
Approve the
as you
panel.
proceed that.
Do that. Do that when you can do that.
Madam,
Now, since when you are fighting for this?
Malad, since 1997, Lordship.
What is your age now?
58.
Malad, she can be Malad. She
58.
is Malad,
She's
eligible
working
Malad.
in Kodamtola,
No,
she's working there.
Malad, she can be Malad, be given the appointment letter. But
the
Malad,
next
Malad, she
petition
is entitled. No, Malad, she is entitled. She has been fighting
Already you
for.
are working in a school.
Malad,
Yes.
it's on a temporary basis, Malad. On a temporary, what she will
She has
do,
suppressed-
Lordship.
no, Madam, she has suppressed this. Can you see the affidavit portion?
no,
She has claimed she is unemployed.
No, what is a government school where you are working?
No.
Central school.
Malad, she is on a
Kodamtola
temporary
district.
basis.
Was,
a army school,
was,
madam.
was his school employment can be a continuation?
Malad, Malad, it's an add-on,
Then for 2 years, what will do?
Lordship.
For 2 years, even you will not be able to get the pension and other benefits.
She will not get anything from that job. But even
From this
from
job?
this also, yes, your Lordship, but she is entitled, my lord. She is fine.
Approve the panel. Do it. Your DI is available?
No, he has not yet returned, my lord. Madam, kindly grant me 2 weeks in 3 weeks. 3 weeks time.
What are you, Mr.
Madam, he has gone for his son's treatment, my lord.
Pal, this is too much. This is too much. And she will die. She will die. It's a somebody
this is-
else to-
My lord,
The
from,
school, the school has done the
No,
wrong,
no,
my lord,
no.
not the DI, my lord.
no, my lord, there is
Since
earlier there
2001,
is
the school
direction
is
above
sitting
the
over it.
DI.
Let this wrong may not be percolated down. It has come to your notice. Whatever done at the appropriate stage, we could not take out all these points. Now the only it has been sent to you, do your ministerial job to approve the panel. Panel approval means you will be appointed for 2 years. And obviously, if she accepts, then whatever other consequences will come, she may get another brief for.
What she will teach, because she is not conversing in
That is another thing.
Bengali.
Don't reopen it.
That is
Well,
another thing, lord.
At the appropriate stage, When this was taken, this was not taken into consideration.
She was surprised that she is working on oath, my lord.
But do you have
On
not,
oath.
maybe they are asking you that 3 weeks is time is too much. Consult your DI in Bombay that how it can be done. Because much time has been. I cannot allow you to this relegating back again, High Court to a ping pong ball. from
Then my
here
lord,
to
I'll fix it up on Monday. I shall.
Not this week.
Well, kindly records an order with regard to that.
Yes, my lord, kindly record that.
Mr. Pal, I mean, for this date. Shall take appropriate step, shall have it. The district inspector of school AC. Which one? AC of
My lord, the school, lord.
Siliguri. The respondent number? Pal, respondent number? Respondent number?
Four, lordship.
Four is directed to take steps for approval of the panel and to report to this court on the next date of the place it in the list on Tuesday.
Tuesday, my lord, under the heading, my lord, for orders
To be mentioned.
to be mentioned. I'm extremely grateful, lordship.
Grateful.
Am I audible, my lord?
Audible but not visible.
Also visible, my lord.
What is this?
I just pressed it. I mean, audible, now both. My,
Not
I'm
very
audible, my
clear.
lord.
Not very clear. What is this matter?
My lord, no, I just pressed it, man, I just pressed it. My lord,
The register of the University of
you,
Kuchbihan
Lordship, can you allow me to?
is under suspension. There is a fight between the vice chancellor and the registrar, my lord.
My lord, kindly, I just pressed it.
Registrar has called for a convocation without the consultation of
This is
the
not
vice
issue
chancellor.
Then
Without consultation with the vice chancellor, my lord, and was calling for a convocation for awarding the degree. That was the grudge of the vice chancellor.
Huh?
That was the grudge of the vice chancellor. On
No,
this
no,
score, he
you
was
have
suspended.
challenged the disciplinary proceeding.
Yes.
Yes, lord.
What you have challenged, Mr. Roy?
Yes, I have challenged.
Yes,
Yes,
what you have
why
challenged?
I'm telling my lord.
What is the stage
I've
of the
covered by,
disciplinary
I've covered by
proceeding?
the,
It is just.
yes, I covered by the judgment without jurisdiction. I show my lord, I show my lord.
Huh?
My lord, what? Yes, my lord, I've challenged, why I've challenged, I'm so my lord. My lord, my issue is here.
What is
Vice
the stage
Chancellor
of
have-
DP? What is the stage of DP?
And for the.
No, these are, it is without jurisdiction. Kindly see, he has no right to. He has no right to, my lord. You must kindly appreciate. He has no. kindly
What
allow
is
me
the
to
stage
press-
of DP?
They started inquiry proceeding. They started inquiry. My lord, I not participate because. My lord, kindly allow me. I just pressed.
You have to participate. What you have
There is
challenged?
no question about it because this is without jurisdiction. The entire decision is without jurisdiction. I show I covered with the judgment.
Take it in your defense.
My kindly, this is not a defense
Challenge
because I am a
it
registered.
matured.
My your lordship, kindly appreciate. I am a registered suspension. I have challenged. This is pending. Kindly allow me. Then, my your lordship, I know that it's a case of exception. I'm covered by two judgments of this on Supreme Court or High Court. My lord.
Wednesday. Come
Kindly,
physically Wednesday.
I am a
Come
registered.
physically Wednesday. Come physically Wednesday.
No,
Not
kindly
the
fix-
same
kindly fix the
time.
ma- kindly fix the Monday.
In the meantime,
Kindly fix
let a
the
complete
Monday.
set be provided to us. The complete set of.
A complete set
Kindly
provided.
fix
Say,
the-
We have already served on last Monday. We have already served.
I have
upon
given,
the
yeah, I
Monday.
given. He's not
by
here. He's
Monday,
in Delhi.
Wednesday, it will be
I've
taken
given.
up. In the meantime,
Kindly fix the Monday, my lord.
Huh?
I served, my lord. He's not here. Kindly fix the Monday, my lord.
No,
Kindly
no.
fix the Monday, my lord.
No,
It is
Monday,
going on.
huge
Judicial
pressure.
officer retained.
You.
My lord, kindly, please, my lord. Kindly, please, my lord. Kindly,
Yes,
please,
yes,
please, my
I'm
lord.
not dismissing it as premature, but all points open.
No,
Go
this is
there.
not question premature. Kindly, please
Come
on Monday, my lord.
Wednesday. 31.
Kindly, my lord. This is only my Monday, my
Wednesday,
lord.
Wednesday, don't waste your time.
My lord, I am
20
appearing.
Tuesday.
31.
My lord, I am appearing for the petitioner in item number 31. Hello.
Yes, what is the matter about?
My lord, in 1993, a scheme was floated by central government for eradication of tuberculosis.
My lord, tuberculosis, elimination of tuberculosis by 2025. My lord, the petitioner was engaged as a sputum collector. So the work of the petitioner is to go.
My lord, kindly, sorry,
What
can you
is
make it
Monday?
Monday? I have to come again, Kolkata again, my lord. Kindly,
Wednesday,
Tuesday, my lord, please,
Monday is too pressure, Mr. Roy, you will not be getting the chance. Mr. Roy, Monday will be, খুলে দাও, বলে দিই। There will be difficulty in Monday, Mr. Monday.
Tuesday, please,
Wait,
please. ma'am.
Tuesday, inform the other
What
side.
Yes, ma'am.
My lord, if I may.
31.
No, no,
31, 32, 33, 34.
Tuesday, correct.
What is the matter about?
My lord, if I may place the case, my lord.
I cannot get you.
My lord, if I may place the case, my lord. My lord, in 1993, a scheme was floated by Union government for eradication of tuberculosis. My lord,
Eradication of
tuberculosis disease
then
by 2025. My lord, the petitioner was engaged as a sputum collector. My lord, the work of the petitioner is he used to visit the susceptible tuberculosis patient and used to collect the sputum and give it to the district hospital for test, for running the test. And for carrying out this exercise, he used to do this exercise twice a week. And for carrying out this exercise, he used to get 75 rupees per day. Twice a week, 75 rupees per day. He was appointed in 2014.
Any amount payable to you.
No, my lord, no, my lord. My lord, this is a second.
Your job has been discontinued.
My lord, the district, the respondent authorities are not carrying out this exercise any further after COVID. My lord, since COVID, they have not taken any step. The program is still continuing, but the district medical officer is not carrying out this exercise of appointment. My lord, this is the second round of writ petition.
Oh. So, what is the circular?
My lord, if my lord takes this is the second round of
No, therefore, to this program, eradication of the tuberculosis program has not been abandoned. It is still on, but the only route has been changed.
Yes,
Not
my lord.
engagement of individual collector, sputum collector, but it should be routed through an NGO.
NGO.
Get yourself enrolled with any NGO or form an NGO to get it.
My lord, I am already enrolled with an NGO. The NGO used to give me work. Since 2020, I was associated with an NGO. NGO used to give me work.
The NGO does not sponsor your name. What the state will do?
After 2020, they stopped giving this work. They are not implementing the scheme any further. That is my grievance. My lord,
they are implementing such scheme. They have not abandoned this scheme.
If my lord takes up my representation, then my representation be considered. I have given them a representation. My representation is in 41, page 41, my lord.
Now, individual representation, there cannot be any chance of consideration.
My lord, I was associated with NGO.
Your association will not do. Please supply any representation of your through the NGO.
My lord, if my lord takes up the order passed by Honorable Justice Amrita Sinha in the first round of litigation, my lord, the order is in page number 32.
Yes.
My lord, they stopped giving me work. Thereafter, I filed a writ petition. In the writ petition.
Understood. Get yourself involved in NGO. What is the name of your NGO?
My lord, after the order, I was associated with one Amullo Sheva Charitable Trust, NGO.
Where is that? Where is that trust?
My lord,
they are not coming.
My lord, that trust.
My
My lord, my grievance is that the district, the state authorities are responsible for implementing this project. My lord, they are no longer
Please,
implementing this
please,
project.
thankful for your pro bono work. You have come out with a good cause, but you have to come through the proper route.
If my lord,
Sorry.
directs to consider my representation, my lord,
Sorry.
my lord, my representation is in page number 40.
Affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petitioner, we kept with the record. The petitioner is alleging that the program of the it is a central government program to eradicate the tuberculosis from the country has been abandoned by the state respondents.
If my lord takes up my representation once, it's in page number 40.
They abandoned this project. Yes, yes. Where the state, as a consequence, though he was involved in this program as a sputum collector earlier, he is unable to perform his work anymore. Stop. Mr. Bormon, learned advocate for the state respondent submits that the program has not been, the project has not been abandoned. Rather, implementation of the said program so far as it relates to collection of sputum, according to the policy, has been changed through NGOs, not through individuals. Stop. The learned advocate for the petitioner, though is claiming to be a member of NGO, but the concerned NGO is not behind this vote. The petitioner therefore cannot maintain the petition in its personal capacity. WPS such and such is therefore dismissed without any order of support. Next one.
My lord, from item 31 till item 35,
31
similar
to
petition.
Who is in 32?
My lord, similar petition. I am appealing for the petitioners in
32,
all the
35
petitions.
dismissed. Act order kore diyo. Next one. Affidavit of service. Supply affidavit of service. Without the 36.
Service company. নামটা লিখলাম জ্ঞান
Not this big. Service not come next circuit. Service not come. Learned advocate from the Jalpaiguri kore. 38.
Respondent.
None appears next circuit.
But I'm for the respondent.
If none appears for petitioner,
My lord. Wait,
respondent. Jalpaiguri follow.
next circuit করে দেবে। Petitioner
I'm for the state lordship. Allegation against the
There is an ashram called Ramkrishna Vedanta Math where we trust that there at the time when I follow the ashram in the Darjeeling for myself, there are several relics and important historical articles which are placed in that ashram. But upon visiting that site, it has been noticed that all those relics have been very negligently and very unconditionally placed in those ashrams. I have placed several representations for the concerned PM of the district of Darjeeling. My representation
Now, let me understand, this Vedanta mission now is being represented by respondent number 4, have been served. He have been served, properly served. Yes, you are appearing for the state.
Yes, Lordship.
Ask the DM to file a report because these are the relics. First of all, get a report from the district magistrate. Get it as soon as possible.
Lordship.
Wednesday, the district magistrate which district magistrate? Darjeeling? The respondent number 3. The petitioner is alleging. The petitioner is claiming to be a follower of Ramakrishna, is claiming to be a follower of Ramakrishna Mott and Mission. And as well as other religious societies run under the name and style of Thakur Sri Sri Ramakrishna. The petitioner is alleging that relics of Swami Avedananda, the a direct disciple of Thakur Sri Ramakrishna, is being kept in a very shabby and negligent condition at the ashram at Darjeeling of the Ramakrishna Vedanta Math. Math. A monk like relics of the monk like Swami Avedananda has got a national importance. Stop. District Magistrate, Darjeeling, the respondent number 4, is directed to file a report on the issue upon proper inspection of those relics with the inventory. Let such report be placed before this court on next Wednesday. Do it a little bit quickly. Because after all, this is no adversarial litigation.
Service on the university is not complete, Madam.
Not this week. I don't know, Mr. Pal. This circuit must be of at least 3 weeks. First week to accustom with this, and particularly when it is in hot or in winter. All you go into the vacation mode.
Well, in between Durga Puja vacation and Christmas, it is always dicey.
But get sure, what you will be getting over there, this relaxation, you will not be able to afford to practice it. When you will be getting that building with the full swing.
He's taken up regularly.
No, you issue is that you cannot afford to do that. I'm telling you, the way and the magnitude this will be started. So get yourself warmed up. Not one match, 2 match, or friendly match. It will be a full swing 1 day match. Yes, next one. Yes, Mr. Bhandari. So then, I understand yesterday it has been reported to me. Not this week. I don't know. I cannot assure you, Mr. Bhandari. Everything has been pushed down, chip to the last week. What is that?
Disposal of the benefits of the petitioner. But there is person between 2 directors. One is saying, madam, I am not responsible to carry out the order. And yes.
Is employee of which department?
Direct station in Raja Hart. saying that he is the responsible. Now that we are implementing as a party. So my lord,
So get it served, get it served.
they should receive by today. It is on Monday or-
It is a pension matter, na? Shudhu. Pension. Next one,
My lord, what is the bonding in matter only? But this is not-
41 and 14.
not a pension.
What is the matter about?
This is the matter, my lord, this relates to the whole stuff of the political matter. So after passing an order to implement the name of matter, for the same reason, my lord, because of the shifting of project between 3 and 4, my lord.
Let us come on next week, not this week. Try to give effect of the service. Come, come. 43.
There are some opposites which do not be incorporated into investigation matter. So I am-
What is your state?
So that I can file it.
Mr. Bandari, learned advocate for the petitioner submit that the petition suffers from some technical defects. As such, he prays for leave to withdraw it with the liberty to file afresh. As he prayed for, WPS such and such is dismissed and withdrawn. These order, however, will not prevent the petitioner to file a fresh writ petition on the same self-belief, on the same cause of action. There shall be no order as to cause.
Grateful, Your
44. How are you?
Fine, my lord. Your lordship, is that what we have found on the SOP?
This 5 years stipulation.
Lordship.
Then the other SOP that after transfer in one station till 10 years, that where is that SOP? '87. So initially you were your first posting, Hashimara,
No, my lord. Hashimara was my fourth posting
fourth posting. So you were appointed in Hashimara
in the year 2012.
12. So 10 years have elapsed. After 10 years, you have been transferred to Katihar division.
Yes, my lord.
Now in Katihar division, you gave a representation saying that the policy of the couple policy.
Yes.
Where it is, page. Just you have shown yesterday.
112.
No.
112, relevant question is at page 130.
Huh?
112,
Which one?
112.
12,
Relevant question is at page 113.
13,
D.
where none of this was railway husband, one of the and other is the state
Belongs to state
service.
service. No, but it does not apply. It's neither a central employee nor a state employee. The husband is neither a central employee nor a state employee. State employee. No, state employee. I'm a subject teacher. No, my lord, it is not that. I'm a teacher.
Then, my lord, let us start from the beginning. My lord will see how her report will enter, whether there is a procedural defect or not. Because
Tell me, your husband is not a state employee.
State employee,
Which department he works?
education department.
He is a teacher. You are a teacher.
Teacher. Yes.
Let us know. Where one is a state employee, the railway should be posted to the station plus territorial jurisdiction of the place state. What is this you are showing?
You also can see email 113 million.
112 is a railway board's decision, directives. What is this?
This is a guideline mail which has been included in the directive also.
That show me the directive.
Directive. Page 84. Page 84. Close 15.
Yes, clause 15. Roman clause 15.
Yes.
Very well. Very well. Couple transfer member of force is working. Location of the provided as provided in 2010. Just now you have shown the
Yes.
2010.
Yes.
But when there is no vacancy, what you will do?
Then the nearby placement, which was
Nearby place, available nearby place.
Available.
So you have offered 3 places which could not be considered that these are the outpost of the Hasimara where you are already attached,
Yes.
right?
That is the ground there.
And the other options given, the nearest one was Dhupguri. You are not agreeable to go over there.
My only question is, my lord, whether there is any bar that my case cannot be considered in the outpost.
Now, Hashimara, there is a bar that
That's why, my lord, you also kindly see page 86. Close 7.
page 86. Huh?
Yes. Ma'am. Close 7.
My lord,
And
extreme
non-member of the
compassionate.
force who have been transferred from a station upon completing either 10 years in a continuous spell or 15 years in a broken spell at that station will be eligible for posting back to that station solely on criteria of their last posting or on extreme compassionate. So there is no bar.
Huh? We counted from the date of his relieving from the date. No enrolled member. You are reading to 7 or 8?
7.
7. Extreme compassionate
Compassionate
ground.
ground.
What is the extreme compassionate
Now, your lordship,
ground?
kindly see that has been explained.
Is a subjective satisfaction of the board.
Yes, my lord. That has been considered in my case. That has been considered. Now, your lordship, kindly see page 92.
92.
92.
Yes.
The number 1, the members of the force will be able to request for inter-zonal or intra-divisional transfer on various compassionate ground, a working couple, critical illness, etc., etc. That bar is not applicable for 6 categories of persons, including couple.
No, you have shown, don't make it complicated. You have shown that 10 years in the same station cannot be posted, that can be diluted in case of on extreme compassionate
Yes.
ground. So extreme compassionate ground, you were transferred to this Hashimara when you were possibly you were pregnant.
Yes.
Possibly you were pregnant.
At that time, I was pregnant. Now 4 years old.
My lord,
Four
if I may, my lord, none of the rules say that he will have to be posted in Hashimara itself.
No, of course not. Now the matter of right that I will be ever there
He is being, my
forever.
lord, we have gone out of our way, offering her a very nearby station, which is only 42 kilometers
So
away.
you are not accepting. Let me get it straight way. You are offering, offer is this, you are getting it or not, and then you have to go to Katihar itself. Katihar was the last station you have from
And
Katihar.
on her request, we revoked it and asked her to join any of these stations.
So if it does not, if it not accepted, then Katihar. Then what will happen?
My lord, more severe consequences may follow. I have been indicating this to the learned advocate for the petitioner and also to
No,
the.
no, more severe maybe. And now no option is open for her now. No option is
We are
open
also
for
being
her.
cornered. by-
I will not tolerate the forces, uniform forces will, this kind of indiscipline, I will not tolerate. Do whatever you like. If you accept, accept it. If you don't accept, consequence will automatically follow. You have not joined yet. Had there been a case, you have joined to Katihar, then you are making your representation. You have not joined. When your transfer was directed,
2000,
you are still receiving salary.
no, for the last 5 months I have not received.
So the
Because,
the consequence
they
has
have-
started.
They have said
Yeah,
my,
make a choice, make a choice. Otherwise, I will start it because you are not willing to. Mr. Majumdar, your client is free to take whatever action you require.
well, then Dhupgiri Miller.
Give a choice to them.
Dhupgiri Miller.
Dhupguri
They
is
have
the
offered.
nearest. Huh?
They have offered.
But
So,
this could have
first
been
of all,
conservative.
you join to Dhupguri. Will you allow her to join now?
We will, my lord. I will make a call to the deputy security.
Allow join, then the other consequence, because you have to take care of these things, backlog clears to be done. So before, by Monday, you join Dhupguri, then come back. Let's sit under the heading to be mentioned on Monday.
All I think.
44?
45 is over milk. 44.
This is 44.
Now 45.
45? Yes, Mr. Khoti.
Millard. Millard, I'm coming to your lordship court. Honorable court, third time, Millard. In the year 2014, thereafter.
Bad.
the principal register.
Is it bad? You are coming for third time. You must be grateful to the court that every time you are, court is bringing you over.
No, একটা আছে ওর জন্য অন্য প্রাইভেট অন্য রেসপন্ডেন্ট আছে একটা জিপি
This repetition is barred by the principal register.
There are precedent, Millard, in the earlier occasion, Millard, this under court of.
Already
Now,
dismissed.
what is this? Tell me now. What is the
This is regarding compensate appointment.
already pair refused?
No, on the ground that it was not submitted within 1 year, but I found that there is later submitted within 1
Next
year.
circuit, it will not be my pleasure to dismiss.
Well,
it.
already the details, earlier it was dismissed on merit.
This is Khoti.
Grateful.
Lordship, I am for the petitioner, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, in the earlier occasion, Lordship, there was a direction upon the responding authorities to take and come with the instructions, Lordship. And here is the order.
Yes, order is before me. Necessary instruction, Mr. Pal.
But I have received instruction, my lord, that we have no objection to deposit the money before the district, the court where the suit is pending. Although they had to approach the district judge, if there is any dispute with regard to the apportionment. So I have no objection because the.
Lord, on the last occasion, Justice Mukherjee was of the view that since a civil suit is pending between the petitioner and the private respondents.
This is compensation amount.
Yes, sir.
Apportionment of compensation.
There is dispute. my lord.
So Justice Mukherjee was of the view that the authority will deposit
So deposit it.
their assessed amount before the.
And then on the
Lordship,
Only if there is an order from.
before the suit is pending and their advocate send a legal notice, but they did not reply till date, Lordship.
suit thereafter the notice was. Who are the for the private respondents?
Lord, I am.
So can you not, who are you? How are related with this petitioner?
Lord, I am a relative and I'm also a possessor of.
How are relative?
Lord, we are cousins. We are
Cousins.
cousins. And Lord, I am possessing the property. I am, Lord, basically.
Are you denying that they are not entitled to any?
Yes, my lord, because on my case is based on, my lord, that on an earlier occasion, when this same property was acquired by a different authority, I was paid the compensation. So on that ground, I'm objecting to this as
No,
well.
no, that is not the, on earlier occasion, you may have made the other authority full. This
No.
time your cousins have become
Certainly.
more aware. They can,
No,
but
I-
the title dispute, it will take long time.
So my lord,
Can it not be settled?
not between the private parties, it is not,
That cannot be.
it is not possible to settle at this stage.
Very well, then you have to wait for the civil suit to come out, and then till then it will be with the district judge or
Not
the
we are
any
agreeable
court,
to-
civil court where the money is lying. And
Not-
they will deposit it and invest it in short-term deposit or whatever way.
Yes.
The
We are
money,
agreeable.
nobody can touch it. Let his senior come, let her senior come. So get the report first.
But kindly passes an order today because.
I can pass an order.
Lordship, then you keep it tomorrow, Lordship.
Tomorrow I have to. Tomorrow if I don't come, my daughter's school, I'll be
Then Monday, Lordship.
Tuesday.
Great.
Tuesday.
Distribution course has been started, my lord, for disbursement the compensation amount, my lord. Since the tribunal is vacant, now.
Still vacant?
No, now the tribunal is fill up and the, my lord, the amount disbursed. So, my lord, kindly dispose of the.
It has become infructuous then.
Yes.
Get. Mr. Kundu, learned advocate for the petitioner submits that the petitioner submits that the compensation amount has been paid to the petitioners, huh?
Yes, my lord. Both, no, two petitions. Father and mother.
In view of same, no further order need be passed. Compensation amount as paid for has been paid to the petitioner. In view of such development, no further order need be passed in the presented petition. Disposed of. 49.
My lord, in these two matters, already your lordship has marked part and substantial progress has been, my lord, taken place. My lord, as it appeared yesterday's lead, my lord, I had a consultation with the CP commissioner, my lord. My lord, kindly fix it on Monday. I will come back with the full report or the progress report because we have recorded a statement, evidence collected. My lord. In the meantime, a development, what happened, they have filed a, my lord, the 482 application before the concerned, my lord, the honorable court. Now, my lord, in the said 482 application, my lord, that I will argue on Monday, my lord, if your lordship is pleases to fix it on Monday. Then what the, my lord, the working court said that I may be allowed to cause an investigation, there is no embargo. But without the leave of the court, I cannot take any, my lord, or any step, not coercive, any step. Any step. So, my lord, that I will have, because the read code definitely has a, my lord, this, it can be stretched upon. So I will come.
Yes, come for quashing of the criminal.
That FIR, we have pursuant to that, your lordship's order, then you have.
So, Mr. Chaudhary, what is the problem is 482 is pending. 482 is pending. So at this stage, any observation may affect.
But my lord,
I want to see the report.
But my lord, the 482 application, the observation that affected your lordship's, the read court's order, my lord.
Let me see to come on.
That my lord, I will.
Come on Tuesday.
Tuesday, my lord, Tuesday there are, I have no problem, I am here. I have no problem.
Tuesday. Let's move on. Tuesday, what you
Tuesday, my lord, there are other matters to be fixed in the court number 1, my lord.
If you are engaged, then it will be posted for some time.
My lord,
But let it be initially try for the Tuesday.
my lord, I'll come back with the entire CD, my lord.
And
CD, my lord, can I reflect in the one line, or that will be helpful for me.
In that case, lordship, I will take the leave to file one supplementary affidavit regarding the development also.
On the 482.
482 and other development also, as because the learned honorable court has directed me to inspect some documents which are lying with the department. So partially that has been affected and the partially I have not been allowed to
Have you
inspect
got
that
the
document.
copy of the 482 order?
Yes,
report?
Lordship. Yes.
Lordship.
Lordship.
Washington.
Lordship, this is the copy of the FIR and this is the order. With the 3 members একটা copy দিয়ে দিয়েছে। দিয়ে তোমার সার্ভার কপি? হ্যাঁ, না। By the 3 members constituting one fact-finding committee started to enquire the matter. In the meantime, this complaint has been lost and I didn't get the contents of the complaint as indicating, rather it is not complaint at all. In my understanding, this is one report. However,
Very well, come forward. না, ও আচ্ছা, ও বলছে না?
My lord, kindly see.
As prayed for, yes, as prayed for by Mr. Mondol, he started to the petitioner to file a supplementary about to bring some materials. I think some bring the subsequent events and materials in support thereof on record.
My lord, kindly can be served in advance so that I.
yes,
Copy
yes, no problem.
thereof be served upon the candidate for the recipients.
Whatever I will bring before this honorable court, this is the related to
Yes, sir.
Praise be to file, praise the courts of the case on the of them. Such being is also granted. Place the matter in the supplementary list on Wednesday.
It's along with the CD lordship has indicated.
No, records, whatever records.
Also, records. It is from my end.
From your end.
Lordship, yes. দাদা কি কি বললেন একটু বলবেন?